Hello, thanks for joining me, Tom's Cubes and Games. Today, looking at Datafrog SF2000. Basically unboxing to show what I do to prepare for selling on eBay. Gloves just so it's sanitary and clean. The Datafrog SF2000 comes in 4 colours. Well, actually it comes in 5 colours, but I don't have the red. Okay, so we have the black one here. We have a nice, clear, legible English language instruction booklet. It's genuinely a good manual. It tells you everything you need to know. Now, usually on eBay, I prefer to sell things factory sealed, but I can't do that with these Datafrogs because I replace the memory card with Kingston brand, because it comes with a generic cheapo which just isn't up to reliability standards. So I'm being very careful here not to contact the Datafrog itself with the scissors. Wow, nice one. So this is the Datafrog SF2000. It has a screen protector. All the colours are the same in function. They all have 6,000 games, and we'll be looking at a few of the games shortly. Let's just put that one back safely in the bag. I'm going to put that one safely to the side. I have 4 of the black Datafrogs for sale. Each Datafrog comes with a nice little drawstring bag. Fits it perfectly. It's just a nice, soft, protective drawstring bag. I also include, not the whole box, 4 lens wipes. And 1 lens cloth. And I transfer, or I clone the TF card onto Kingston brand 32GB, so there's loads of spare room for adding your own additional games, and it's Kingston reliability. Now this is yellow. I've opened this, so you won't have to wait for me to open this bag. Again, that has the same stuff with it, so a drawstring bag, lens cloth, 4 lens wipes, this is the yellow version, very nice. The yellow version comes with a decal, and that looks really nice on the face of the case. Let's put that again safely to the side. I've got 4 yellow machines to sell. I have 4 of these blue machines to sell. Same package. I think we can agree these all look awesome. Right, let's carefully put that to the side. So I've got 4 black ones, 4 yellow ones, 4 blue ones, and yeah, don't they look all fantastic? Right, this one I don't have to be so careful with because I'm not going to sell this individual machine. I'm going to keep it back for reference and maybe doing more videos. I've got 6 of these to sell, and I'm keeping the 7th back, as I just said. Now these all come with an AV cable. Maybe older TVs have an AV socket. An actually good quality charging cable. The black and grey machines here have a TF card reader. The yellow and blue machines do not have a TF card reader, but they have that awesome decal. Right, because I'm keeping this one back for further videos and reference, I'm going to take this screen protector off. Let me have a closer look at this one. Okay, so we have on-off switch, charge port, which is that micro USB, the TF card slot, and just a reminder, I'm going to replace that TF with Kingston brand. The AV out to connect to TVs which do have an AV socket, and a volume wheel. ABXY, start select, nice little thumbstick, nice D-pad, L and R. Just flick switch, turn it on. Now all these machines have this same selection of 6,000 games. So each system has 4 quick access games. So to choose that, I'll just press is it select or... Oh, well, press A. Press A to start the quick start. That's one of those 4 games on the front end menu there. I think we can agree that is a lovely display. And it's a mono speaker. One of those is not a speaker, that's the actual speaker. But even with a mono speaker, it sounds great. And then to quit, I think I pressed these both at once. Yeah. I've got to change the language, clearly. So let's go down to user settings. Was that a tie? Yeah, oh, that's that easy to change. Awesome. Oh, so sorry, let's go back. That's MAME. Now, I can obviously go down one at a time. But if I press right or left, it's a page at a time. So actually I'll go to start on number 1 there. Let's do a page at a time and see what we've got for MAME. Oh, Gigawing. You may have noticed the little red LED power. Look at that, that is absolutely fantastic, I think. And you can change the key mapping if you prefer to. Wow. So select and start, and then I can choose to save a game. Each game has 4 slots. It's very intuitive. Once you've saved, you can load, or I can quit or resume. Let's quit for now. Let's continue our tour of the MAME game selection. So we have 204, is it? I've sold a lot of these Datafrogs and everyone seems to like them. That's fantastic. I love it. Well, yeah, so 4 blacks, 4 yellows, 4 blues and 6 greys available. All on Kingston TF 32 gigabytes. plenty of spare room for adding your own games. All have a lens, cloth, screen wipes, a drawstring bag, and fast dispatch from here in Cornwall. Yar! Thanks for watching. Bye.